Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. And nice to meet you here again. So, we are going to start our daily market review. And as usually, what are we starting with? Yes, of course, it's dollar index, Dixie, DXY, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. So, so, as we can see, we are probably going to rebalance this weekly fair value gap on Dixie. Yes. Oh, what? What? Why is this weekly here, but there's no what? Wait. Now I'm a bit confused. How is this possible? Weekly? No. What the fuck? Where did I found this one? There's no weekly. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. So, still, this one is the true weekly imbalance. Yes, 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 of course. So, as we can see, we are going to test this zone probably because yeah, yesterday we supposed to have some reaction, but yesterday was the upside candle, so I predict that today it's gonna be the same. So maybe with some correction, we have here one small 4-hour imp here, yeah, and also then lower we have as well. Yeah, this too much. This also we can remove. It's much better visibility. So BPR here, then BPR also here. You can see here, yeah, imbalance, and then here imbalance. So BPR it's this zone. Okay, so this zone will be as a the push back. Let's check 1 hour. Let's check 1 hour. So I see we already did the sweep of Asia. Okay. Then we left here 1 hour imbalance and here. And then here nothing and nothing. Okay. M15. Okay. Sweep here. Okay. Yeah, so this could be the zone where I can expect turnaround. But we as well can, if Frankfurt, okay, like first, there's like 3 options I can see for now. So the first one, we just keep going up without any, just up and up again. Another option, we are going to do the sweep maybe like this and then keep going up, or it depends on market structure. We can see just a continuation of a trend. As you can see, Asia did a sweep. Asia did a sweep of previous day high uh, here. Yeah. So we did the liquidity sweep, and then we left here M15 imbalance, from which we can try to to realize the trade. So we'd stop on Asia high, we do it like this, and then the take is the previous day low because we have some liquidity over here, and then over also for our M. So like this, but that's only in case if we just like this. Or we just wait until the price goes in here, and then yeah, no. No, or then there may be somewhere from here if there is some imbalance in between. Yeah, still, yeah, like you can try your luck from here. That will be almost 5% risk reward, 1 to 5 or 4.5, or just wait and then yeah, just so something like that. But don't forget, it's still I'm showing the longer and short positions in here, but it's Dixie DXY. You can't trade DXY, so be careful, right? Because yeah, just be careful. British pound, British pound. I already checked the British pound, and from this side, it looks bad. It looks really bad because it looks like we're going to. So remember when we reached the daily fair value gap? I said that from here we could potentially turn around. That's what happened. It's already Thursday, and you can see like 3 days in a row we're just going down, and that's probably gonna be much longer. So for now, our task is be sure that okay, let me do like this to make it clear. Okay, so what we can see in here, not that much. So no liquidity. 1 hour. Okay, there was a rebalance. Okay, here also. Okay, so we could potentially expect not that big correction and then continuation of a downtrend structure, or this could be just a test of this for our zone. See here, 4 hours, and then inversion, one inversion here. So just need to watch what the price is doing, and then of course we have few options as usually, as always. Also here 1 4 hour, 1 4 hour, then we switch to 1 hour. Haha, okay, no 1 hour imbalance here, also nothing, and we see the Frankfurt. Okay, so first option for pound is we do the move like this, so we go up in here, maybe a bit deeper, because this one we can mark as a rejection block because we did the rebalance and also the liquidity sweep, so we can, I don't know if I have it, no, so just as a rejection block. Text style, how can I bullshit. Okay, oh yes, so this rejection we can do also the deeper test of 0.5 threshold, and then just keep going up. So just up and higher. That's the first option. But actually the most possible, is just we go to previous week low. It's, yeah, I think it's more, yeah, like two, both of them are so let's check what we did. Asia did a sweep of liquidity in here. Yes, and then we just went lower, of course. Here is, yeah, not that much. Then Frankfurt did So look, good work with liquidity. So probably if we have a possibility to entry the trade in here with the stop, let's say stop Frankfurt high, Asia high. Okay, Asia did the swap also here. Yeah. So and take profit. Yeah, first target is here. So 105. So I would put the. I have my demo account already open. Uh, so uh, so so pound, British pound, M5, and then lot. Let's check what's the stop loss we have. Oh wait, why here I have a 542. Okay, let's say that. Then stop loss over here. Okay, and the take profit is over here. So yeah, you can see it in here. Yeah, opa. So take profit, stop loss, and actually this trade. So it's just on the paper. I'm just trying to prove my theory for now, and this is it. Okay, the next. Oh, pound is already crossing. Okay, let's check the next body, euro. Okay, here, daily, not that much on daily. The weekly imbalance, yes. Okay, weekly rejection here, then okay, 4 hours. So now we already have this 4 hour FTA zone, then 4 hour this, and still this one, this could be as a rejection zone because this is inverted imbalance. So then 1 hour. Okay, good work. No, I don't know. Euro is euro. I don't think is good. I don't think that's a good idea. Yeah, euro is for me it's a dark forest now. I need to wait until we have this liquidity in here, the equal lows, and then this also, and then we have here some kind of compression, let's say, right? And then up here the 4 hour imbalance. So you have two options. Probably, I think that's what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? That's first option. That we do the swip in here, maybe re-swip, and then we go up here to 4 hour imbalance. And then another option, we are just keep going down. But still sleepy now. Okay. And then we move down to the weekly point of interest in here. Yeah, but that's probably not gonna happen today, of course. May not happen today. But so uh so here is completely understandable, I think. So euro probably need to wait. Gold is slowly, step by step, going to our point of interest in here. So gold, I'm still waiting, still expecting. As you can see, I didn't change nothing. So still waiting, and yeah, this is it. This is it for today. That was our daily market review. Still waiting for gold. Doing, oh look, pound, British, British pound. Got a, we got a, we got it. Okay, okay. So British pound did a sweep, and I think it's gonna keep going up. Otherwise, we gonna have a stop almost 0.75% stop loss. If we hit stop loss, of course. I'll move this up here, and yeah. Then if you are going to watch this, then you will see how it ends. It's a bit yeah, that's fair stop loss. We got a protected liquidity in here, so we got a sweep and then good sell, and then here we also do the same, and of course stop loss in here, equal lows, not previous week low. Why? Because we could have a reaction of liquidity and then just turn around in the mid-air. So but everything is valid until the Dixie is not going lower. Okay, okay, we'll see. So, guys, thank you, and of course, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow at our next their daily market morning review and BS prediction. Salami to everyone.